Okay, this is a quick video showing you the Cengage site. So if you go into, I'm going to show you two different ways. So if you go into the Start Here tab, here's a link that will take you to the main page. Now again, it might look a little bit different because I'm in the instructor account. I don't know if I can change it to student view in Cengage or not. Let me just see if I have any options up there. No. Okay. So, but this is, so if you want just kind of a general view, now if this was you, you wouldn't see the class average, you're going to see your average. But in here, you can view it two different ways. So there's the calendar way to view, which shows you what's due. So it says, okay, this Sunday I have these assignments. They're orange. They all count for a grade. So you got a decent amount of homework to do on this particular week. Then again, you could go to next week and say, okay, well, what do I got going on next week? I mean, so it's going to show it out by the week. If you want more resources, though, if you change the view to outline view, you will see that not Wiley, but Cengage provides you other things that you can use. So here's your graded assignments, which are the ones that show up in that calendar tab. But here you have different little video clips that you could watch. So like say you thought, gosh, I really am struggling with retained earnings. Well, go ahead and watch that. They're not long. I'll pop one open so you can kind of see it. But I see they're only like a minute, so they're not very long. So go ahead and watch those again, couple minutes each one. Then they even give you a step-by-step problem solution. You know what I mean? If that again would help you, because then you can pause it, that type of thing. Then there's all these practice ones. So they have like down here you have more quizzes on those concept clips that you just watched. There's quizzes on the balance sheet or the income statement, cash flow statement. So again, these are not for points, but they're there for you. I mean, you're paying for all of these resources, so you might as well take advantage of them. Then over here is your textbook. And I had a student ask if I could link it directly in, like to those chapters. I will look at that, but to be honest, right at this moment, I don't know how. So just know it's that little blue book in the corner. Then here you have your table of contents icon right here. So if you click on that, you could say, okay, well, I want to go read chapter 3. So I'm going to go to chapter 3. Then you can make it full page. And then again, you know, I think you got to like toggle down to get to the end of that particular page, like, you know, scan through it, then go to the next page. But really, it's going to be the exact same as what's in your book. And it'll take you all the way through to the end of the chapter, problems and exercises. In a face-to-face class, we go over those in the classroom. On a Web3 class, you've got the publisher solutions out there, and you can kind of review any of those, especially if you see that, hey, one of those might be like my homework. You know, go back through those and go through those publisher solutions that, again, are out there in Blackboard. And then you can do highlighting, where then if you highlight things in that chapter, oh, I guess you got to create an account, which I don't have. But some students do like to do that, and because then when you highlight them, you can pull them out and just have notes, you know what I mean? So then you've created like your own virtual notebook for that class. I don't have an account set up though. But so those are things that you can do in Cengage. So I just wanted to make sure everybody knows all the resources that are available to them.